Nabarba ako. Uy!
How many was that? Down.
Boss, ang ano.
Hindi, ano yung partida yung nakat.
Hindi gago. Ganun pala yun. Hindi ka pwede maano. Double
Wala,
work.
okay lang.
Naka-bulwark ka ba?
Oo.
Ah, bawal umano dyan. Or back and forth lang.
That's 10 in a
My
row.
bad.
Bulwarkings.
Double work ako yan. Tingnan mo. Ayun. Wala.
Kasi, parang masarap ulang nito.
Oo, maano pa.
Narinig ko kay Dero.
Ano yung boss?
Kailangan ko ng armor after.
The turtle wins the race.
Manghang na adobo yan. Ginatang adobo. Kaya naman tayo, M.
Run like a clock.
Ako.
Ay, tayo.
Get on.
Sa lubong na.
Spring forward. A fine adjustment.
Your top tower's hurting.
Eh, tama, mali ako makiwag. Mandaway,
Yes.
si Ricky.
Yes.
Tayo.
Your top tower's getting all banged up. Your top tower's in trouble. The other fella's bottom tower's done for.
Yeah,
Your
that's
top tower's getting all banged up.
Boto ka ba? Ah, sige, ganyan mo.
I'm well oiled.
Aras ba?
Ah. And it's off. The trap is incoming. Mash your
Paano ko lang ito sagot?
rock it on. Ah, that's it. The turtle wins the race. Incoming. Spring my trap.
Wala ako dyan, Ingat kayo.
Your mid tower's coming apart.
Fresh meat.
Ah,
Do it with flair. This'll come in handy.
nandito si ay si ano, si...
The other fellas couldn't save that top tower. Way to stick it to him.
Coming in. Flares here.
Nawala, gago.
I close the distance. And it's off. Incoming.
Ingat ka na. Nanapload.
Frames for a trap. Illusion.
How many is that now? Two down.
Closing in.
Radiance toughened up their structures.
Katapat na bot. Gago, nag-mintis. Nawala yung puno.
Seriously, I lost count there. Nothing left.
Burns, doesn't it?
I'm still under warranty.
Go get him.
Players here. Yes.
Saan yung ano, bote pat?
Sa base.
Spring my trap.
Kakalapag ko lang. Oh.
Kaya, yun ako tayo.
I run like a clock.
Wala! Nawala yung shield.
Put this in a can.
Hindi ko napansin yung oras.
Yes. Armor power. Rock it on. Spring. Coming in. Do it with flair. Boom, there it goes.
BBKB na lang ako.
Aha. And boom.
Burns,
His
doesn't it?
turn.
Coin for me.
Rattle and roll. And it's off. Blaze here. Rock it on. Blaze here. A traps for a trap. Nice. I am a can of whoop-ass, and it's off. Feel that tickles. Trip trap. Rock it on. Whoa. with flair.
Teka pre ha. Wait lang.
The turtle wins the race.
English. Pwede na to.
Canned goods. Ho! Invisibility!
Right about now,
Ano sabi mo,
your
Jeff?
mid
Anong
tower's
iwan?
gone. Your bottom tower ain't long for this world. Your bottom tower's toast. Might want to check your bottom tower. Your bottom tower is about to smash that bottom tower.
Tested your metal and found it one, and it's off.
Mas low ako talaga.
Saved for later. Rock it on. Yeah. The turtle wins the race.
Killable kaya ito?
Incoming.
Medyo natanga ako dun eh.
Yes. There it goes. My gears turn. Spring my trap.
Saan na gano'n yun?
Spring forward.
May nag-tricks of trade dito.
I run like a clock.
Ito ba?
Okay,
Ano na slow ako?
Tin Man battle plan.
Fresh meat.
Hindi ako maka-workshop.
Fortify their structures.
Yari.
Olaps ah. Hirap na sa pusin ah.
Go dive.
Ano, dive?
Ah, okay.
Gold is a great
Hindi ko pa binabasag. Gago, di pa pala mega. Back steel. Mamaya hitar na yung Lina.
Bakit ako?
Kainin ko na siguro itong Agrans ko. Hindi na magre-rely sa rocket sa two side.
Tingin mo na.
Kulang pa.
Ay.
Hook to.
That's 4 in a row.
Yay! Rotten and Quickstem. Saan yung lead? Yung 6 seconds na.
That's 4 in a row. 2 down.
Parang
Dalawa ba? Oh, bakit na-cancel dito? Na-cancel TP ko, nawala yung ano? Nawala yung overclock.
7 in a row.
Wala pala ako.
8 in a row. 2 down.
Ano nag-buyback sa kanila?
Look, I said I lost 4 down.
Oh, ano nangyari?
Sige, may 40 pa tayo.
Your mid tower needs a little help.
Critical.
Can't do nothing about dire structures right now. Your mid tower's coming apart. Your mid tower's done for.
Wala pang goods.
Your mid tower's in a bit of a bind. Hate to be your mid tower right about now. Dire structures looking fortified. Your mid tower's in a bit of a bind. Bad news about your mid tower.
Gagi, may nakasurvive na isang trip.
Dire went and fortified their structures. Other fellas are after your mid rags. Your mid
GG pa. Yung mataas.
Ano tayo?
Bakit pa mo?
bad for your top
Oo,
tower.
gago, binura si mama. Wow. Hindi kinti.
Top tower's in trouble.
Bigla yan.
Ang gigil, binura si
May?
mama.
Wala, yung tissue ko lang.
Trip trap.
Tanga.
There it
Bisa.
goes.
Ma'am, nagalit. Ginalit mo, ma'am.
Ah,
Agalit.
Gonna smash that bottom tower. Far farewell.
Salita ng Bisaya, bigla ito, gago nagalit. Grabe si Bam kasi mag-throw eh. MMR na nga yung ano mo. Bakit siya
Oo,
lang
hindi
ano?
ko ata kayo i-bet to. May buy ba kayo?
Wala silang bakit. Mga boy si Bam, mga herd.
To your bottom.
Ina?
Your bottom rag.
Kung kaya mag-cut ng clip. Kasi hindi kayo mga
Your bottom rags.
Hindi boy yan si Bam. Kaya ni Bam yung dot. Kailangan niya yung
Wish there was a better dude.
Mang mali lang kasi yung ano.
How many that was?
Ano ba item ng Widow?
Armored to the teeth.
Galing. Lang sa entry boss. Kapag pa silencer.
Oh, wala akong buy ba? Hindi na nga natapos ang Dota doon sa ata.
GG, Rico. Dahil bomb ko.
Numbay.
All right, carry on. Your mid tower ain't
Oo, mga nagalit. Yung tatrack pa
tower's
sila.
done for. Your mid tower's gone.
Lamang na kayo.
Taking it out of your range.
Oo, kaya masabalog ng Rico.
Hirap pa.
Hindi nyo ata si pinasag eh. Parang nakita ko kanina mga pumapasok sa tower.
The radio reduction.
Ayaw ko sa malumi na.
Kaya talaga yan. Kain pa naman yung si Bam. Keep ready na.
Ang laki ng... Laki ng lamang namin. Grabe yung iyak niya, no? Ni Dark
Grabe yung iyak.
Mong MMR, mong ano ata ah.
MMR na MMR gago.
Gusto yata ng ano.
Galit na galit kay Baham gago. 30 kills pala si Baham, tas talo. Taginang yan, 30 kills. Isang na walang BKB.
Kaya ka ba muna, Bam? Ikaw pa, laro ka ba?
tara.
Kaya nata si Bam eh.
Kain yata yan. Hindi ako makapaglaro mabagal.
Hindi, bawing-bawi.
Okay, ito. Pinin natin.
Bakit? Laro pa daw siya.
Bawing-bawi, nagalit.
Ginalit ka ba? May ikaw nagtatraw kanina. Tangalog. Tag ito trash talk na nun silang dalawa. Oh. Sige. Trash talkan sila eh, no? Trash talkan sila, oh. Pag inang yan, 30 kills. 30 kills kayo, talo pa kayo. As 50 si Ken pa.
Galit na galit. Gusto manakit. Ba yan? Ganda pa naman performance ng ano ko doon, clock mid. Gogo, ayaw magpatalo sa trash talk. Ano?
Ay, pinakapulog ah. Sabi pasali mo, Kiro ah.
Yan pala, si Carlo naglalaro. Di siguro makakatulog yung ano niyan, Dark Widow.
Ito yung kwento sa Ben.
Tapos na yung trash talkan.
Di pa rin pala tapos yung trash talkan.
Di pa, yun o.
So, nag-iinit. Trash talkan, dalawa.
May nagtatrash
Makulit.
talkan, si negative mental attitude. Si ano, Ricky.
Maulit ka na. Galit na galit yata yung Ricky, titrash ka yata ni Bami matapos ubusin.
Hindi, ang nagtatrash talkan niya yung Dark Widow.
Ayun, Dark Widow.
Gagawin lang parang.